All right, what's going on, you guys? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave's IPO, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're going to be looking at the TuSimple IPO. And TuSimple is a company that makes software for trucks to autonomously drive themselves, right? So they're going to be going public next week. I believe it's either Wednesday or Thursday. We're going to look at that. We're going to look at the share price. I'm also going to go over an article over here that is written by my man Donovan Jones. From Seeking Alpha. And I tell you what, guys, if I ever meet this guy over here, I'm gonna have to buy him a beer because his articles are always on point. I use all the information that he provides and it's always on point. So I love reading articles written by Donovan Jones. We're also gonna look at the TuSimple website and scroll down and watch some of the cool videos of these vehicles in action and how their software works. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna go over the S1 as well, so you guys get a better idea of the company financial data, and that way I can help you decide if you should buy or pass. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into it. TuSimple proposes a $1.25 billion IPO. Very good. It's semi trucks, right? So they are facing some technological and regulatory hurdles, though. So we'll see what those are, right? And a quick take, if you're looking for the sticker symbol, it's going to be TSP. Don't confuse it with a thrift savings program out there for my military folk, okay? I do have the S1, so stay tuned for that. We're going to look at that. The company is based in San Diego, and it was founded to create what it's calling the autonomous freight network in partnership with trucks. All right, so pretty much the company is creating software that's going to allow, big semis to drive themselves. And we're going to look into the company fundamentals just to make sure that we don't get another Nikola repeat over here, right? So here's a quick video. Let's check that out real quick from their website.
At TuSimple, we're committed to making freight transportation safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. From our industry-leading technology to our world-class partnerships, we're changing the way freight moves from A to B. By offering reliable, low-cost autonomous freight capacity, we're transforming the trucking industry for the better and allowing more food and supplies to be moved to more people faster than ever before. Through TuSimple's groundbreaking autonomous freight network, we're setting a new standard for safety and making it possible for trucks to operate on highways and surface streets nearly continuously, resulting in greater utilization at a significantly lower cost. And with TuSimple's autonomous system at the wheel, we use 10% less fuel than trucks on the road today. The AFN advantage is game-changing: increased freight capacity at a significantly lower cost and with less environmental impact. The path to better logistics has never been clearer. TuSimple, a better path forward.
All right, so that was a pretty cool video. Kind of freaky, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I saw that steering wheel behind the semi truck and there's nobody behind it, I don't know. What do you guys think? You want to see trucks driving themselves on the road? That's kind of freaky. But anyway, it is the future. We all know autonomous. Tesla started it all, and now everybody's trying to do it, and Google and everybody else. Apple might get into the game as well, so we'll see. But TuSimple received at least $665 million from investors. The firm has minimal revenue history, but has taken reservations for more than 5,700 of its autonomous trucks. So they already taken reservations, so you guys can order these trucks or whatever. Management says it has more than 240 core technology patents and has achieved over 2.8 million miles of actual road testing. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like to see that, of course. All right, guys, so TuSimple intends to raise, like I say, $1.25 billion. And here's the good information you need right here. The mid price point is going to be $37 per share. I don't know. I mean, is it worth it? We'll have to find out, okay? Now, they are offering 27 million shares. If you want a more specific price and date, you can always go to IPOscoop.com, something that I wish some of my colleagues will do so they don't pass around wrong information, right? So you can look for TuSimple down here at the bottom. You can see that they're going to be offering shares from $35 to $39 per share, and they're gonna be IPOing on April 15, which is next Thursday, guys. So be on the lookout for that one if you're a fan of autonomous driving vehicles. Now let's see what my man Donovan Jones has to say about it. While I believe autonomous technologies are the way of the future, I have doubts as to the ability of any management group to gain both technological success and regulatory approval in short order. All right, so basically what he's saying right here is, it sounds cool, it looks cool, you know, there's opportunities to make money in this market, but how open the Department of Transportation is going to be of the idea of trucks driving themselves on the road and on the highways, guys. And you got to be realistic about that, okay? So that's basically what he's saying right there. You know, that's basically his concerns, okay? All right, so looking at their website, a better path forward. They have the same video we watch already here, but you can scroll down and you can, you know, according to them, and of course the company is going to say it's very safe, and you know, through all the trials and all that, there haven't been any accidents or anything like that, or any negative news or anything like that. But how open are people to this idea, right? That's very important. Up to 99% reliable, aggressive low-cost pricing, stable pricing you can count on, and so forth. A mission that matters. Founded in San Diego in 2015, the mission is to improve the safety and efficiency of trucking industry. I'm not sure how many truck accidents are reported every single year on the highway and all that. Part of their mission is to, you know, lower those numbers, right? I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to this website if you want to learn more about the company, of course, and their products. The technology seems to be pretty cool, guys, and pretty on point. All right, so here's something that I forgot to mention earlier that's kind of important. Since 2015, we have developed a fully integrated software and hardware solution enabling what we believe is the world's most advanced level 4 drive-out autonomous semi-truck technology. Why is it so advanced? Hallmarks of our property semi-truck specific technology include our 1,000 meter perception range, okay, and 35-second planning horizon high definition HD maps with accuracy with 5 centimeters. That is pretty cool, guys. So this thing is looking around, it's sensing around 1,000 meter perception in front of them, right, at a range, oh, that's their range, right? And then 35-second planning horizon high definition HD maps. As the truck is going, the maps is loading. So basically, understanding the technology is probably the most important part of this IPO, guys. And that's why I read to you that description about the L4. And that's why you see all this cool sensory thing around the vehicle, right? That is sensing the road ahead, 1,500 miles or whatever, ahead, or 1,500 meters ahead. And it's just 300 meters all around. You see that? Not afraid of the dark. So even in the dark, this truck can, you know, detect using LiDAR, right, the surroundings. So this is what makes this technology, according to them, very safe and very useful, and is the way of the future. See, up to 1,000 meters, powered by AI. So very exciting. Just a very exciting company. If you're a little tech geek like I am, and a lot of us investors out there, this is a company that you might want to keep an eye on. That's for sure. All right, so let's talk about the S1. You know, I don't want this video to run too long. So it was filed on March 23rd, 2021. That's the latest that I could find. If you can find anything newer than that, let me know, okay? Let's click on the table of contents and go to our consolidated financial data, if we can find it over here real quick. All right, so for the revenue, we are looking at, and this is in thousands, guys. We're looking at $1.8 million of revenue in 2020. And then maybe if I highlight it this way first, revenue, and then we'll go over here, $1.8 million, okay, in 2020. We're looking at a net loss of, scroll down, $177.8 million, guys. So that is a lot of money they bleeding through. And I mean, they're not profitable, they growing, they taking on investors, taking on investments and stuff like that. So that's understandable, but that is a lot of money compared to just the revenue that they are making, $1.8 million compared to $177.8 million in net loss. So that's a little bit concerning right there, guys, of course, right? Then we're going to look at a consolidated balance sheet data. Let's see if they have any cash. Cash and cash equivalents. We're looking at actual $310 million. Assets, we're looking at $346 million. And liabilities, we're looking at only $87 million. But they do have more assets than liabilities. I like to see that. But they are running through money, a lot of money. And I wonder, let me see. Where's all this money going to? Okay, wow. So a lot of it is going for research and development, guys. There's your quick financial data. Like I said, guys, you know, this will be in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Just like Donovan Jones, I think I'm going to be watching this one from the sidelines, guys. I mean, it's not that it's a bad company or whatever. It's just that so many hurdles to jump over when it comes to regulations and stuff like that. The future is autonomous, and I don't think anybody can deny that, of course. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.